Hi guys, Frank here from Build Your Own, and this is my 1994 Chevy Cheyenne C1500. And if you've been following the channel, you know I've been doing a lot of work on this old Chevy truck. Today I received some replacement front bumper parts from LMC Truck, specifically a new right side outer brace and right side bumper brace. The ones they sent before and that are now on the truck are defective, but more on that in a minute. If you've been following the truck, and subscribe now if you haven't, I recently had this rough country 4-inch suspension lift installed on the truck, along with these gloss black, I should say, 17x8 Vision D window wheels. I also swapped out my side mirrors. I had the old chrome side style side mirrors, and I just swapped those out. So new wheels, 4-inch lift from rough country, new side mirror, all that kind of stuff. You know what? I've got links in the description below to those videos, as well as the playlist to this entire truck, because I got, I don't know, going on 40 videos, maybe 40 videos, 30 or 40 videos on this truck. So I've got the link to the playlist to the truck in the description below. So after you check out this video, why don't you go down to the description below and check out a couple of the other videos as well. Okay, so let's jump into today's video and talk about the bumper. Again, like I said, I already did a bumper video where I put this bumper on, and the air dam, you see the air dam's actually gone. If you watch the other video, you notice it's not there. What you'll really notice is you'll notice this big tilt here, and I had to, the problem is that this bumper doesn't have any bolts on this side. The two braces that are on this side, the ones that I just showed you a second ago, they're defective. I can't get any bolts onto the bottom. And so if you look down here, you can see there should be, you know, this should be connected down there, and it's not. And it should be connected down there, and it's not. It's not because I forgot. It's because the threads up there, there's something wrong with them. I can't thread them. So LMC Truck sent me some new ones, and they don't look much better, but they do work. Let me show you what I mean. So, you know, it's worth noting that these parts are made in Taiwan. These are $10 parts that I got from LMC Truck. And, you know, they're pretty good. They're pretty good. But what I noticed is on some of these, if you like look at that, you see how the threading, how the bolt is kind of like off center. I did already pre-try this. It does work. But that's what I mean. Just some of these, they just, the quality and craftsmanship is iffy. It's definitely not an OE part. I mean, I don't know how good the OE brackets were originally on this truck, but these do leave a little something to be desired. I mean, LMC Truck did send these new ones out to me right away, no charge, so I'm not complaining. I still love LMC Truck, and it's still cool that you can get these parts, but, you know, buyer beware. You might get some of these parts for your truck, and you might have a problem with some fit. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna uninstall or get the grill and get all those old brackets off, and then I'll show you how those other brackets were defective. So here we go, getting ready to take apart the bumper, or take off the grill and bumper again. I feel like an expert at this, so if you need somebody to help you, guide you through this, I'm definitely your man. So we just got to take out these 1, 2, 3, 4 nuts up top. I think they're 10 millimeter. And then behind these parking lights, you got a screw in that corner, and then the other corner, and then you got one right here, and then the grill will lift out, and then you got a secondary grill down here, and I'll show you where those screws are at. Okay, once you have the grill out of the way, then you can get to this secondary grill here. I also got a new secondary grill. I actually ordered another one because I actually broke the tab on this one. I actually have another one sitting in the back because I have a brand new grill from LMC Truck, but that's a whole nother video. So anyway, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. They're 7 millimeter, not 10 millimeter. Once we get the secondary grill piece off, then we'll have complete total access to the front bumper. Okay, now that we have the secondary bumper off, or a secondary grill off, we can see the 4 bolts that hold the top of the bumper, that hold the front bumper. And all those are in, and those are fine. The problem is the threads on the 2 threads on the bottom on these 2 brackets, they just simply won't thread in. I don't know if they're reverse threaded or what the deal is. I cannot get a bolt in them. The brand new ones that just came, the replacement ones, I can get bolts in those super easy. These 2, I can't. And so that's why we got this tilt on the bumper right here, because I can't get a bolt up under this corner to get that nice and straight. And we're gonna get that fixed today. So what we need to do is get the bumper off. So I've got these 4 bolts up top. I think they're 18 millimeter, and I've got the 2 that are down on that side, and boom, the bumper will come off. So let me do that. Okay, and just like that, the bumper's off, exposing the right hand and left hand bumper braces and outer braces. So these are the defective ones over here. These bolts, by the way, they're actually 19 millimeter or 3/4 inch, one or the other. So what I was saying is, I can't get any screws down on this bottom side here. It just won't screw. It won't screw in. It feels like it'll catch. It feels like it wants to catch, but it won't. It just won't. I wrestled with this thing and wrestled with them and wrestled with them and wrestled with them the day that I got the bumper initially, and I just finally said, you know what, forget it. There's got to be something wrong with these. And yeah, sure enough, when I got the replacement ones, these screws go right in there. Here I am on the other side, the left hand side, doing the same thing. And let's see if I can get this one going. Yeah, see that? I can get the left hand, I can get that one going. You see, there's something wrong with those ones on the other side. All right, so let's get those. We got to get these brackets removed, and the way I like to do the bumper is I'm going to go ahead and fully loosen up these. So it's really about loosening up these bolts here and these here, loosening all those up so they can, so I got play. So I'll get those loosened up, I'll get the other ones installed, and I'll just have them loose, and then we can fit the bumper right back on. Okay, actually, before I get started, let me tell you, I use the replacement hardware from LMC Truck. This is for this bracket here, it's a 22 millimeter, and you got a 19 millimeter on this side, and the nut, this is a 19 millimeter bolt head, and the nut is an 18 millimeter on the back side. So I got my crawler here. I'm gonna get down, I'm gonna loosen up everything. You see, I only got 2 of the 3 bolts in, and this on both of those brackets. I'm gonna see if I can get all 3 of them in today. I have all the hardware. I kept everything, so we'll see if I'm able to get those other bolts in. So I'm gonna get these brackets off and do all that stuff I was just talking about. All right, we're good to go now. We've got the replacement front bumper bracket pieces from LMC Truck. Those are installed, and they're nice and loose, and I was able to get all 3 bolts in on each side, so everything's good. And I got this side all loosened up so I can get the bumper back installed, and as you can see, there are the bumper, or all the 3 bolts are actually in there. Now we can grab the bumper and hang the bumper back on the truck, and I'll just kind of finger tighten, just get all the top ones up there if I can, and then try to line up the bottom ones. So let's see how it goes. All right, so far so good. I finger tightened, I got the 4 top bolts on, and they all went in super easy. Now I got to get up underneath it and see if it goes just as well for the bottom 4. Well, snappity snap snap. All 4 bolts went in on the bottom, super easy. The bumper looks great. It's awesome. I'm super happy. I didn't know how it was gonna turn out. I was a little disappointed when I got all this stuff from LMC Truck the first time, and I wasn't able to get it all put together the right way. You know, this truck originally had a chrome bumper with a huge basketball-sized dent in the front of it, so it's really, really cool to have that finally replaced after about a year driving it around like that. So yeah, I think the key to installing these bumpers right is keeping all those brackets super loose so you can wiggle everything around and line everything up. Once you got everything lined up and all the bolts are in, I've got top one here and the bottom one. All the bottom ones are good, the top ones, everything's finger tightened. And now I can just go ahead, and I'm not gonna tighten it all the way down, I'm gonna tighten it a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up the brackets. Like, yeah, the outer brackets and all that stuff like that. All right, guys, there it is. The bumper is all screwed back together. I mean, everything is back together really firm. The brackets are all tightened up, and the bumper's all tightened up. All I really have to do now is put the secondary grill and the grill back in. You've already seen that. Before I do that, you know, I I've talked many times about it. There's the grill, right? Or yeah, there's the grill right there in the truck, and the secondary grill right here. And I've talked about that I'm gonna put a black grill in there, blah 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 blah. Well, the whole thing is I've got my replacement grill from LMC Truck, but instead of pulling all that stuff outside, let's go in the back and take a look at that stuff real quick. Here we are. The shop's over here where I've got everything, but real quick before we actually take a look at the stuff that I got from LMC Truck and everything, the other thing I like besides automobiles is working out. And as you can see, I got a pretty sweet gym back here because I take working out extremely serious. All right, guys, let me quit goofing around with that. I just like working out. So this is the shop where I kind of keep everything. So here's some stuff from Rock Auto that I got. I just got the factory, all the shop manuals for the truck. I have all the shop manuals. Here's that the new replacement grill from LMC Truck. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna paint it black. These are my old tires that I took off after I got the truck lifted. Here we've got the secondary bumper. That's the smaller bumper piece, and this is the box that this grill came in. Here is that lower air dam that goes below the bumper down here, and I have the little corner filler pieces that you see missing on the corner of the bumper. I have all those pieces. I have half of mine to put this air dam back on. I just don't feel like messing with it because I might need to cut the corners, otherwise the tires will rub. And I've just now gotten the tires not rubbing, and so I don't really feel like dealing with rub issues again right now. So to go along with that brand new grill and make it look good, I have a factory OEM Chevy logo to go in the center of the grill. I have new side marker lights, the new reflectors, and the new turning signal lights, the new corner lights. So by the time I paint the grill, I still need to get the paint and everything, and that'll be another project. So if you want to check that out, make sure you subscribe to the channel when I put this whole grill together. And maybe when I put the grill together, maybe then I'll do that lower air dam, and we'll add the air dam to that, because I don't think I'm not going to need to take the bumper off. I can install it from underneath the truck. While we're here, let's talk about future projects real quick. So in addition to doing the grill and everything, these are gaskets because my valve cover gaskets and my intake gaskets are leaking. And so I got these books, the service manuals, the factory service manuals, and I think I'm going to tear into that project, and we're going to do that together. I'm going to definitely record that project. It'll be the first time tearing into the truck like that, but I think I want to do that project. So I've got all the pieces for that. Okay, so in the meantime, let's get this grill back on the truck, and then we'll call this job done. All right, guys, we're all done. The truck's back together. The bumper is repaired. Everything's together as it should be. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like you already saw, I've got other projects for this truck, so make sure you subscribe. I've got the playlist to this truck down in the description below. Make sure you check that out. Lots of good videos on this truck. And until the next video, have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next one.